Are you struggling with the failed to detect location 12 error in Pokémon GO when trying to change your location? Don't worry, I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to bypass location monitoring and spoof your location on iOS devices without jailbreaking, using Foneazy MockGo and iMocker Master. Tools needed: Foneazy MockGo, iMocker Master. You'll find the download links in the description below. Step 1. Download and install. First, download and install both Foneazy MockGo and iMocker Master on your computer. These two tools will be key to resolving the location error and successfully spoofing your location. Step 2. Launch iMocker Master. Once you've installed the software, open iMocker Master and log in using your Apple ID. If you'd rather use a different ID than the one currently associated with your device, feel free to do so. Next, select Pokémon GO and allow iMocker Master to install the modified version of the game on your device. Just wait until the installation is complete. Step 3. Configure Pokémon GO on your iPhone. Before you can spoof your location, you'll need to configure the Pokémon GO app on your iPhone. Trust the developer associated with your Apple ID so you can launch the modified version of the game. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. Step 4. Spoof your location with MockGo. Now, it's time to spoof your location using Foneazy MockGo. Open the app and select the desired location on the map. Use teleport mode. Or try two-spot mode. And that's it, you're now ready to enjoy Pokémon GO without those annoying failed to detect location errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!